The topic is Kingdom Animalia. So in this Kingdom Animalia, next class Phylum Cnidaria. Phylum Cnidaria. So Phylum Cnidaria, before this phylum is called before this phylum is called before this phylum is called Cnidaria. Before this phylum is called as Cnidaria. Now this Cnidaria phylum divided into two phylums. Cnidaria divided into two phylums. So this Cnidaria divided into two phylums. One is the Cnidaria, another one is the Ctenophora. Cnidaria. Another one is the Ctenophora. Cnidaria phylum and Ctenophora phylum. So before the names Cnidaria, C is present. Before the Ctenophora, C is present because of the Cnidaria phylum. Early stages, Cnidaria phylum is present. These Cnidaria phylum divided into two phylums. One is the Cnidaria, another one is the Ctenophora. These two separate phylums. So we will discuss phylum Cnidaria. General characters. Cnidaria general characters. In general character, first one habitat. First one is the habitat. Habitat. Habitat means the organism's living place is called habitat. The animal's living place is called habitat. So in this animal habitat, aquatic habitat. Aquatic habitat. Aquatic habitat. Aquatic means they are living in water. Aquatic. These are the sessile or free living. Sessile or free living. Sessile or free living. So they are the aquatic means they are living in water. These are living in water. Sessile means they are living either sessile means attached. They are living in attached. Free living means they are the freely movement. Some of the living in attached or some of the living in free living, freely movement. Mostly these are the marine water, mostly living in marine water. Most of the Cnidarians are living in marine water. Most of the living in marine water. So these are the habitat. Next one, level of organization. Level of organization. Level of organization. So these are the tissue level of organization. Tissue level of organization. Tissue level of organization. Level of organization. Tissue level of organization. Next one, symmetry. Symmetry. So these are the radial symmetry. Radial symmetry. Radial symmetry means the organism cut into any axis, any angle divided into two equal parts is called radial symmetry. These are the symmetry. Next one, body wall. Body wall. So the body wall contains two layers. Two layers. Outer epidermis, inner gastrodermis. Outer epidermis. Outer epidermis. Inner gastrodermis. Outer epidermis and inner gastrodermis. Just understanding diagram. So they are the one organism for Cnidaria. So these two layers are present. The body wall contain two layers. So they are the outer layer. Outer layer is called as epidermis. Outer layer. These are the epidermis. Outer epidermis. Inner one is called as gastrodermis. Outer epidermis and inner gastrodermis. Between the two layers, mesoglia is present. Between these two layers, the mesoglia is present. This one is called as mesoglia. Between these two layers, mesoglia is present. Between the two layers, mesoglia is present. Between these two layers, mesoglia is present. Between the two layers, mesoglia is present. So the body wall contain two layers. Outer layer is called as epidermis, inner layer is called as gastrodermis. Between the two layers, mesoglia is present. Next one, germ layers. Germ layers. Germ layers, so these are the diploblastic. Diploblastic means in embryonic stage two germ layers are present. Outer epidermis, inner gastrodermis. Diploblastic means two germ layers are present. Outer ectoderm, inner endoderm. Outer ectoderm and inner endoderm. So in embryonic stage, two germ layers are present, outer ectoderm and inner endoderm. Next one, gastrovascular cavity. Gastrovascular cavity. The central cavity is called. The central cavity is called gastrovascular cavity. The central cavity is called gastrovascular cavity or coelenteron. The central cavity is called as gastrovascular cavity. In this diagram, this place is called as gastrovascular cavity. Gastrovascular cavity. The central cavity is called as gastrovascular cavity. This gastrovascular cavity, it helps into the digestion function and circulation function. Gastrovascular cavity. So in this gastrovascular cavity, it helps digestion function and circulation function. Digestion function and circulation function. It helps with the digestion and circulation. Gastro means digestion, vascular means circulation. So the gastrovascular cavity, they help into the digestion function and circulation function. And this gastrovascular cavity is also called coelenteron. So before this phylum is called as coelenteron because of this one, the central cavity coelenteron is present. So this early stage, this phylum is called coelenteron. Next one, the gastrovascular cavity opens into the mouth, hypostome. Gastrovascular cavity opens outside through the mouth. This mouth is also called hypostome. The gastrovascular opens into out through the mouth. So they are the gastrovascular cavity. This one. These are called as mouth or hypostome. Mouth. So in this mouth is also called hypostome. Hypostome. The mouth is called hypostome. So in this hypostome, there are the two functions. So there are the only one opening is present. One opening means incomplete gut is present. Incomplete gut means there are the two functions. Ejection function and exhalation function means they are taken and releasing. They are the two functions. Inhalation function, they are taken function and releasing function. So they are the incomplete gut is present. Next one, the mouth is surrounded by. The mouth is surrounded by 8 tentacles are present. 8 tentacles are present. The mouth is surrounded by 8 tentacles are present. 8 tentacles are present. 8 tentacles are present. So the mouth is surrounded by 8 tentacles are present. So they are the mouth. So in this mouth, 8 tentacles are present. The mouth is surrounded by 8 tentacles are present. Mouth surrounded by 8 tentacles are present. So these are the tentacles. 8 tentacles are present. Next one, the body wall and tentacles. The body and tentacles. The body and tentacles. Body and tentacles. Cnidocytes are present. Cnidocytes are present. The body and tentacles. The body are tentacles. Cnidocytes are present. So these are the cnidocytes are present. They are the one type of cells. So the cnidocytes are present. They are called as cnidarians. Cnidocytes are present. That is called as pterophores. So these are the cnidocytes. So these are the cnidocytes. First one, the central cavity is called gastrovascular cavity. This gastrovascular cavity opens into the mouth. This mouth is called as hypostome. These are the two functions, taken function and releasing function. Because of only one opening is present, so they are called as incomplete gut. Next one, the mouth is surrounded by 8 tentacles are present. Next one, the body and the tentacles, cnidocytes are present. They are the very special characters, cnidocytes. Cnidocytes, they are the special characters. So in this cnidocytes, functions of cnidocytes, very important character, functions of cnidocytes. Functions of cnidocytes, very special character, functions of cnidocytes. So in these functions of cnidocytes, first function, anchorage function. Anchorage function. Anchorage means they are helpful to the attaching function. Anchorage function. Second one is the defense function. Defense function. Their protection of the body. They are fighting with the enemies. Defense function. Third one is the capture of food. Capture of food. So these are the three functions. So the functions of cnidocyte. The cnidocyte, there are the three functions. One is the anchorage, defense and capture of food. So these are the cnidocytes. Next one, digestion. Digestion. So there are the digestion, two types of digestion, intracellular digestion and extracellular digestion. Intracellular and extracellular. Intracellular digestion and extracellular digestion. Intracellular digestion means the digestion occurring the inside the cell, that is called intracellular digestion. The digestion occurring the outside the cell, that is called as extracellular digestion. So there are the two types of digestions are present, intracellular digestion and extracellular digestion. Next one, skeleton. The skeletal structures are corals. The skeletal structures are corals. The skeletal structures. corals. The skeletal structures are corals. These corals are made up of the calcium carbonate. These corals are made up of the calcium carbonate. Corals means this one is the corals. So these corals are made up of the calcium carbonate. These corals that supporting the body, they are the skeleton function. Respiration and excretion. Respiration and excretion. So respiration and excretion, so they are the diffusion type through the body. Through the body. Diffusion through the body. Diffusion through the body because of the tissue level of organization. So no formation of organs, no formation of organs. So they are the early stage of animal. So they are the simple diffusion type of respiration and excretion is present.